guys, good morning. My name is Jen and welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Anyway guys, so today it's July 29 and it's officially our last day here in Parga. So now we are off to eat breakfast first. And I'm now at the parking lot, guys. There's a free parking here with plenty of space, guys. It's just right outside the Parga town. The intersection is just beside the gasoline station, and it's free parking. And if you want it safe, yeah, it's just a couple of minutes walking to Parga town. Anyway, so our goal for today is first to find the lab, because my husband needs to take the rapid test, the antigen test, in order to board the boat, the ferry, because tomorrow we will be heading to Corfu, another island here in Greece. Hey guys, we are back again here at Nisaki All Day Cafe Restaurant. We're going to eat breakfast here because we liked the breakfast last time. And time check, it's 10:30 in the morning and it's already hot. The temperature is around 34 centigrades and today it's gonna be around 40 centigrades. be hot. And we got a view of the beach here in town center. This beach is usually crowded, guys, and look, people are starting to gather around this time. Hey guys, we are now inside the micro lab here in Parga, and my husband is going to have a rapid test, in order we can get on board the boat to Corfu. And the location of this one, I'm gonna share to you the location and the video description, and it's located close to the police station. Hey guys, we are here in town center here in Parga, and my husband bought a couple of shirts. It is the best time to do a little bit shopping around this time. Well, not so much people, but in the evening it's impossible. It's packed with people. So right now it's so hot, and I ordered vanilla ice cream. We are here at Eden, yeah. They serve pasta, crepes, salad, waffles, ice cream, and wine. So yeah, as you can see, the street is not packed with people. But same protocol here. When you get inside shops, you need to wear face masks. Okay, guys. Update you more later. I'm gonna enjoy my ice cream. Hey guys, my husband just received the result from the lab about the rapid test. So it's negative, so we are set to go to Corfu tomorrow. And right now I was suffocating while walking from town, guys, to the parking lot, and the temperature now is around 38 centigrades. We are here in Parga Cafe beside the gasoline station. They sell sweet cakes here, and they got a mini supermarket inside. They got ice cream. Yes, a perfect place to stop. And of course, cold water.